Right here, what we having today, goddamn me, this blended up fruit beverage. Normally I put more fruit in here than this, but this is all I got right now because I ate it all. I ate up most of the fruit I had, goddamn me. So I just got green and purple grapes, goddamn me, and some fresh strawberries. And right here we got half a cup of water and half a cup of milk. And that's how we doing it right here today. So we're gonna go ahead and start off like this right here. You know, also will make a good fighter is eating and drinking healthy, as I'm sure we all know. Get some more of that right there. Yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. This is about to be straight butter. I'm about to, once again, take it down through it all the way up fine. Y'all already know, goddamn me. Y'all already know, goddamn me, how I do it. I'm talking about, you can still see the water down there at the end of the bowl. I rinsed the shit out these fruit. I ran it up under the water for about 30 minutes. You think I'm lying? It's about to be straight yummy. Now we gonna go ahead. I eat the rest of them by hand later, goddamn me. But now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add the water. See if I can get it. I'm gonna put the water in there, half a cup of water. Well, that's too much. I'm not gonna put the whole cup. So maybe less than half, goddamn me. And yeah, you got a milk. It's about to be straight yummy. This is what you call a nice, nutritious, healthy fruit beverage. Right here, goddamn me. Ooh. I'll tune y'all back in later. I need both of my hand, goddamn me. I gotta blend this up right.